So our Houston shop is located on the corner of Sampson and Commerce. We're on the east side of town, or the Edo district, about a mile away from the baseball stadium going east. When you come to our shop, you can park anywhere you'd like. If you look into the middle of the building, you're gonna see some steps with a white door. You come right in that right door and you'll be right into our waiting area. So once you're greeted by a team member, we'll ask you how we can help. You'll kind of tell us what your needs are, and we'll kind of go through that process with you. We usually like to go outside if the vehicle is here, walk the vehicle with you and kind of tell you what your options are, and then answer any questions that you have too as well. So our building is kind of broken up into two areas. We have our main detail area. It has a wash area, and then we also have a specialty area where we do our window tint and PPFs. It's a climate controlled room. It's also a clean room, so we make sure to reduce or eliminate the dust as much as we can so we can get a nice clean product for the PPF and the window tint too. So if you have a car, vehicle, RV, boat, it really doesn't matter. If you're looking at getting it detailed, ceramic coated, PPF, or whatever it is in between, come see us at Uniseal.